Welcome to a video that will show how to multiply matrices on the TI83-84 graphing calculator. These are the same problems that I explained how to do by hand in the previous video. So here are the four matrices we'll be working with. Let's go ahead and enter matrix A and matrix B into the calculator. To access the matrix features, we have to press second x to the negative 1 power. If we want to enter in new matrices, we have to go over to the Edit menu and then press Enter. The first thing we have to do is enter in the dimensions of the matrix. This is a 2 by 2 matrix, so we'll press 2, Enter, 2, Enter. And now this is very much like Excel. We can go ahead and just enter in the elements one by one, pressing 4, Enter. Notice it goes over to the next column. 7, Enter, 2, Enter, negative 1, Enter. And that's it. Now let's go ahead and enter in matrix B. So we'll press second x to the power of negative 1 again, go over to Edit again, scroll down to matrix 2, and then press Enter. Matrix B is a 2 by 1 matrix. 2, Enter, 1, Enter. And then we enter our elements. 6, Enter, negative 5, Enter. That's pretty much all we have to do. Now we just go back to the home screen, and we're ready to find A times B and B times A. So to access the matrix A for multiplication, we go back to the matrix menu, second x to the power of negative 1, leave it on menu and just press Enter. That brings matrix A back to the home screen, times second x to the negative 1, scroll down to matrix B, press Enter, and then Enter to find the product, and there it is. Now if you do this on your problems and you get these long decimals, what you can always do is convert them to fractions by pressing Math, Enter, Enter. Let's go ahead and try B times A. So access the matrix menu. Now we'll select matrix B first, times second matrix A, press Enter, and notice that in this case we're getting a dimension mismatch. Remember, the reason for that is that the number of columns in matrix B is not the same as the number of rows in matrix A, therefore this product is undefined. Let's go ahead and take a look at two other products. Number 3, we'll find the product of matrix C and D. So let's go back to the calculator. Let's go ahead and quit the error message. We'll go back to the matrix menu, second x to the power of negative 1, go over to Edit, and now we'll go to matrix C, press Enter. Matrix C is a 2 by 3 matrix, so 2, Enter, 3, Enter. Then we'll go ahead and enter the elements. And we'll now enter matrix D. So press second matrix again, scroll to Edit, down to matrix D, press Enter. Matrix D is a 3 by 2. Enter the elements. And now we're ready to multiply. So go back to the home screen, second, quit. So now we can go ahead and find the product of matrix C and D. So we press second matrix, scroll to C, Enter, times second matrix, matrix D, Enter, and then Enter. And there's the product. Notice the product of these two matrices is a 2 by 2 matrix. Now let's go ahead and compare this to matrix D times matrix C. Remember, matrix multiplication is not commutative, so we should not expect the same product. And you can see this product is a 3 by 3 as an illustration that matrix multiplication is not commutative. Now hopefully you would do these by hand and then use this to check your products, because as you can see from the previous video that there is a special technique that must be used to multiply two matrices together, and sometimes, as we just saw in example 2, the product cannot be found or it's undefined. Okay, I hope you found this explanation helpful. Thank you for watching.